My God!
Oh my god!
Oh my God!
Are you crazy?
I'll fix
ruined.
it. Second.
No, really?
I saw this hack in one video.
Please.
What? Mike,
No, I don't believe.
are you crazy? What you?
One.
Please.
What?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't work.
Are you
God.
kidding me? It's only get worse. I will never get this off my dress.
I have nice idea.
No, please, it's my favorite
Yes.
dress.
Oh my God.
Don't worry, please. Don't worry.
You
I will
kidding
help
me?
you.
You kidding me, yes?
Don't
Really?
panic. We will help you.
Please.
I need a soda.
Yes.
Thank you, Jack. Stop. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Now it'll work.
You're crazy.
I know.
God. Mike, it doesn't work.
I haven't finished yet. I have a toothpaste.
Don't worry, please. Don't panic.
Honest.
Huh? Let me do it.
Oh no, Mike, please stop
more,
it.
more.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh, now we need to rub it.
How?
Take the lemon.
You crazy. You're both crazy.
I know.
And so what?
And rub it.
Rub it? Okay, take it and rub it. Yeah. Like that?
What am I
Like
doing?
that.
Oh my God.
Harder, harder.
Harder.
Oh.
Okay.
Enough. Enough. And finally.
What?
No,
Ready?
no.
Yes. Oh yes.
Oh my God.
I need the water.
Water.
You're kidding me, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, but I need water. Yes. Mike, water.
Thank you.
Take it.
Are you ready?
No.
1,
No.
2,
No.
3. I'm joking. 3. Clean. Huh? What I'm saying?
Wow. It's incredible. It works, really.
It's magic.
Thank you. Yes.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's clean. Cool. You see?
Yeah.
It's worked.
Yes.
It's done.
Your dress is clean. Amazing.
And what?
Yeah.